This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting a reliable base. Place your feet hip-width apart and shift about 60% of weight to the left so the right can act. Point your right toes forward and position the heel roughly under the hip to create a direct force line. Relax the right ankle and keep the knee slightly bent. This prevents locking and allows quick adjustments. Once steady, test a small press or step with the right foot to sense balance and confirm you can move without overcompensating. Now focus on how the right foot transfers force. Apply pressure through the ball of the foot, not by rolling the entire sole, to gain precision. Initiate motion from your hip and knee while the ankle adjusts. Engaging your core stabilizes the chain and reduces strain. Move deliberately, counting each repetition, and keep breathing steadily so tension doesn't build. Once you feel consistent control, increase range slightly or add light resistance. This reinforces coordination and trains the nervous system for smoother, stronger actions. To finish, bring the right foot back to a neutral stance slowly and notice whether muscles feel balanced. Then practice integrating the right foot action into the complete movement pattern, increasing speed only when form remains consistent. If you encounter pain, sharp discomfort, or persistent imbalance, stop immediately. Reassess alignment from heel to hip, reduce load, and try smaller range movements. If problems continue, consult a professional. Remember, controlled repetition cements technique, so prioritize form over speed to avoid setbacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.